वेलकम टू टीम्स एकेडमी। दोस्तों, आज हम बात करेंगे एमएस एक्सेल के कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यू के बारे में। ये क्वेश्चन आपके आने वाले एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल रहेंगे, तो वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखिए। और अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए। चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, MS Excel is used for option A, letter writing, option B, spreadsheet calculation, option C, presentation, option D, painting. The answer is option B, spreadsheet calculation. Question number 2, a collection of worksheets is called option A, Excel book, option B, worksheets, option C, Excel sheets, option D, workbook. The answer is option D, workbook. Question number 3. The file responsible for starting MS Excel is option A, ms.excel, option B, ms.exe, option C, excel.exe, option D, excel.com. The answer is option C, excel.exe. Question number 4. The extension of saved file in MS Excel is option A, .xis, option B, .xas, option C, .xlx, option D, .xll. The answer is option C, .xlx. Question number 5. Alignment buttons are available on which toolbar? Option A, status, option B, standard, option C, formatting, option D, none of these. The answer is option C, formatting. Question number 6. In Excel, the intersection of a column and a row is called option A, cell, option B, table, option C, grid, option D, box. The answer is option A, cell. Question number 7. What does an electronic spreadsheet consist of? Option A, columns, option B, rows, option C, cells, option D, all of these. The answer is option D, all of these. Question number 8. Which of the following is an active cell in Excel? Option A, current cell, option B, formula, option C, range, option D, cell address. The answer is option A, current cell. Question number 9. How are the data organized in a spreadsheet? Option A, lines and space, option B, layers and planes, option C, height and width, option D, rows and columns. The answer is option D, rows and columns. Question number 10. The default view in MS Excel is dash view. Option A, work, option B, normal, option C, auto, option D, none of these. The answer is option B, normal. Question number 11. Borders can be applied to option A, cells, option B, paragraph, option C, text, option D, all of these. The answer is option D, all of these. Question number 12. What function displays row data in a column or column data in a row? Option A, hyperlink. Option B, index. Option C, transpose. Option D, none of these. The answer is option C, transpose. Question number 13. Which key is used to go to tab in MS Excel? Option A, F9. Option B, F7. Option C, F6. Option D, F5. The answer is option D, F5. Question number 14. What type of chart is useful for comparing values over categories? Option A, pie chart. Option B, column chart. Option C, line chart. Option D, dot graph. The answer is option B, column chart. Question number 15. What is the maximum zoom percentage in Microsoft Excel? Option A, 100. Option B, 200. Option C, 300. Option D, 400. The answer is option D, 400. Question number 16. Which function in Excel tells how many numeric entries are there? Option A, num. Option B, count. Option C, sum. Option D, check num. The answer is option B, count. Question number 17. Which of the following is not a valid formula in Microsoft Excel? Option A, equal to A2 plus A1. Option B, equal to A2 plus 1. Option C, equal to 1 plus A2. Option D, equal to 1A plus 2. The answer is option D, equal to 1A plus 2. Question number 18. Are features that displays only the data in columns according to specified criteria? Option A, formula. Option B, sorting. Option C, filtering. Option D, none of these. The answer is option C, filtering. Question number 19. Which one is not a function in MS Excel? Option A, sum. Option B, AVG. Option C, max. Option D, min. The answer is option B, AVG. Question number 20. Functions in MS Excel must begin with option A, an bracket sign. Option B, an equal sign. Option C, a plus sign. Option D, a greater sign. The answer is option B, an equal sign. Question number 21. Which function in Excel checks whether a condition is true or not? Option A, sum. Option B, count. Option C, if. Option D, average. The answer is option C, if. Question number 22. In Excel, columns are labeled as option A, B, C, etc. Option B, 1, 2, 3, etc. Option C, A1, A2, etc. Option D, none of these. The answer is option A, B, C, etc. Question number 23. The greater than sign is an example of dash operator. Option A, arithmetic. Option B, logical. Option C, conditional. Option D, greater. The answer is option B, logical. Question number 24. What type of chart is useful for showing trends or changes over time? Option A, pie chart. Option B, column chart. Option C, line chart. Option D, dot graph. The answer is option C, line chart. Question number 25. The process of arranging the items of a column in some sequence or order is known as Option A, arranging. Option B, autofill. Option C, sorting. Option D, filtering. The answer is option C, sorting. Question number 26. The dash features of MS Excel quickly completes a series of data. Option A, autocomplete. Option B, autofill. Option C, fill handle. Option D, sorting. The answer is option B, autofill. Question number 27. What type of chart is useful for comparing parts of a whole? Option A, pie chart. Option B, column chart. Option C, line chart. Option D, dot graph. The answer is option A, pie chart. Question number 28. In Excel, rows are labeled as Option A, B, C, etc. Option B, 1, 2, 3, etc. Option C, A1, A2, etc. Option D, none of these. The answer is option B, 1, 2, 3, etc. Question number 29. What do you use to create a chart? Option A, Pie Wizard. Option B, Excel Wizard. Option C, Data Wizard. Option D, Chart Wizard. The answer is option D, Chart Wizard. Question number 30. How many sheets are there by default when we create a new Excel file? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 5. The answer is option C, 3. दोस्तों, कैसी लगी आपको हमारी ये वीडियो? अगर आपको हमारी ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी है तो वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर जरूर कीजिए, और अगर हमारे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए। धन्यवाद।